ImportError, no module named mysql. I am referring the following tutorial to make a login page for my web application. This URL. I am having issue with the database. I am getting in. When I execute, I have tried all possible ways to install Python MySQL, the one mentioned in the tutorial, easy_install, sudo apt-get install. I have installed MySQL in my virtual env. My directory structure is just the same as what's explained in the tutorial. The module is successfully installed in my system and still I am getting this error. Please help. What could be causing this?
If you're having issues compiling the binary extension, or on a platform where you can't, you can try using the pure Python PyMySQL bindings. Simply pip install PyMySQL and switch your sqlalchemy URI to start like this. There are some other drivers you could also try.
Or try this.
May you try.
My issue is, and my resolution. At the very beginning, I just installed mysqlpython, but the issue still existed. So I think if this issue happened, you should also take mysqldb into consideration. Hope this helps.
If you want to say more,